Hello, amazing traders, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Forex, and in this video, you'll be learning basic raw price action reading to analyze any chart. When you understand raw price action reading, you can analyze any chart anytime, any day, anywhere. Either stock, indices, BTC, any chart, and you'll be able to figure out what market is doing per time. And right now, this morning, I'll be quickly doing analysis on UH30. When market reached this key level, there was a massive support, and as you can see, this is massive market consolidation. So market begins to do consolidate, because when market wants to change trend either from buy to sell or from sell to buy, market needs to consolidate. Market that do not just move or change structure immediately. There needs to be a level of reactions at a support level, at a resistance level. When that reaction is full to the brim, that is when price will react to that key level. And in 4 hour time frame, what happened? Market broke this structure, because this structure has been effective from this key zone. It was effective here, here, here. But when it reached this level of 42,630, market broke it, and market was buying excessively. But fortunately enough, market came back to retest this key level, and right now, market is consolidating. And if everything play out, I'll be expecting this market to buy this week. Yes, I will be expecting something like I'm expecting this market to move 1,000 pips in the next 1 week. That is UH30 for you. It is not Euro GBY. It's a volatile, extremely volatile market. But if you can catch it, it's movement on time. If you are lucky enough to catch the movement, that is, someone like me that loves massive market movement. Imagine from here to here, markets already moved 399 pips. From here to here before, when market broke this key level, market moved 399 pips in a single day. GBP USD cannot move such kind of movement. GBP USD in a single day is 150, 120, sometimes 80 pips in an entire day. But here is a market that can move 1,000 pips within 1 week. No market can move that except gold. So, but it's extremely volatile, like I said, but you can use raw price action reading to figure out what the market is doing. And at this key level now, what market is doing is market is trying to take out the dumb money. At this key level, market is doing its prior pivot point. So which means that because what market is doing right here now, if this market actually started buying now, this 1,000 pips can happen in 2 days. Yes, because in a single day, market was able to move for 400 pips. And at the end that moves continue, it means that this market can move average of 500 pips in a single day. And within 2 days, 1,000 pips will load. And that's one of the things why I love trading this pair. But you have to be good. You have to be patient. And what did I use? No indicator, nothing. Just raw price action reading in order to figure out what market is doing. So you don't have to be a genius to be a profitable trader. There are many geniuses that are unprofitable. There are many brilliant minds that they don't know what they are doing in the market space. Understand something in this 2025. If you want to become profitable, embrace the basics. Basics will give you the money you need, not quantum physics, not forget about the gibberish. Study the market, because every strategy that is on social media, every strategy every professional traders are using are just lenses. Because what we are doing with this market, with our strategy, is to find out how market works through your lens. How can you figure out the movement of the market before it becomes obvious? That is what we do as a trader. So if it is about lenses, it is about checking through the face of the market through a specific lens. So which means that there are different lenses that can do or that can pick a single market at different time frame. So this is 4 hour time frame for UH30. So in 2025, be serious, be stable, be intentional, because this is the January and market is about to move extensively. So this is what will happen in UH30, and right now, by in the next 24 hours, I'll be doing market update on this analysis to see if this support level, because see if this support level holds at, if this market continue this way, today, in the next 72 hours, this market will reach this key level. And that is something huge, 1,000 pips within 3 4 days. So you don't have to be, like I said, you don't have to be a genius, but you need to learn how to study the basics. And you need to be extremely patient. Your money management must be on point if you want to have an advantage over others in this 2024. You must learn how to take care of your money. If you are doing go big or go home, there's no chance for you in this 2025. So don't take this year lightly. Be serious. Be serious. Be intentional. Be intentional, and this market will open for you. And right now, so this is what we are expecting this market to do. As long as this market hold, then there is a probability, the probability is high that UH30 is about to load 1,000 pips. And when it load finished, if it works according to plan, I'm going to come back. Because as a trader, our duty as a trader is not to be a market maker. Our duty as a trader is to react to the market movement. What we are doing is to find a way to know, to understand where market is going before it becomes obvious and react to it. So we are not the one that is moving the market. It's the big banks that are moving the market. US30 is 30 companies in US, which are blue chip companies. They are one of the biggest companies in the world. So no amount of your money can move those companies. But learning how to figure out where they are going and tag along with them will give you an edge over others. So that is what I have for you guys on UH30 this morning. Let's quickly dive into gold and see what gold also is doing. Now, this is good right now, and I think currently gold is in a little bit now. You can say power of price action plus chart patterns. Now, there is a contraction here now. This chart pattern is called symmetric triangle chart patterns. So right now, this is what gold will be doing until it's either market break out of here and retest and move, or the same market break out of here, retest, and drop. One out of the two. So if you are a trader, I mean, I'm a swing trader, so it is my duty to be extremely patient in order to figure out what market is doing. So you can see now that good right now is there is no liquidity in the market yet because this is January and all the blue chips, all the big banks, all the big companies are just resuming. So by ending of this month, market will resume fully. Market will resume fully. And once Donald Trump becomes the president of the United States of America and there's a stability in global economy in terms of world power, so to say, so it helps investors to make right decision on time. So, but right now, to the end of this month, there'll still be low liquidity in the market. But this is the best time to figure out what market is doing, to understand what makes market, what affects the movement of the market. Because when you understand, as a trader, you experience different market cycle. Because that's one of your experience. Your experience comes through time. And that is why it is not now. This is GBP JPY right now. Now, as you can see, I was expecting this market to drop, but market refused to drop. The market is just buying and buying and buying. Now, wonderful. This is a symmetric triangle also. So what am I expecting this market to do? I'm expecting this market now. So now that if this market react to this key level, once it react to this key level and come and test somewhere around here, then that is the best place to enter, because if markets react to this key level and retest, it means that you can actually swing your way to the moon. Imagine market come back to this key level and retest, and the bullish movement now start. This is January, so which means that when the bullish movement starts, it's going to take at least a long period of time. Imagine with 70, 50 pips, and this is 970 pips on GBP, GPY, and that was a lot, a lot, a lot. So you can go back to 4 hour, 1 hour to go and examine the same thing. But the most important thing is zoom out and understand the bias of the market first. If you enter your chart and you don't know where market is going, except you want to catch fun, I don't think you need to force the market. You are not designed, don't force the market. Let the market do not care about you. It does not care where you are coming from or what you do. But having the basic knowledge, be patient, and let market show you what it is doing. That is where profitability lies. And it is my way for you this year that you'll be profitable, you will excel, you will make money, because that is the goal of every trader. When you make money, you can make your family proud, you can buy anything you want, you can have the freedom of time, and that is all that matters, freedom of time. So, and I want to implore you this year, dedicate time to study. Dedicate time to study. If you want to be profitable this year, give yourself time. Give yourself time. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Give yourself time. Give yourself time. So that is all I have for you guys this morning. Thank you for checking by. Till I come your way again next time for market update, be safe.